Rain. That's all I know. Rain. On a Halloween night, right, every time it rains, it makes a cowboy horse feel gloomy. But why cheer me up? I don't mind a little drop on me because I'm going to hunt for ghost if there was one or anything spooky goes in my way. I'm gonna round them up and capture them all. But now it's raining, so I have to keep going. No rain can stop this cowboy. Because as the spooky night goes on, the horror it will get for a horse. God, I have to try.